The Hassan family was very excited. Today was their first trip to Dubai. Everyone woke up early for the airport journey.
Ali still felt sleepy, but Sarah was already excited. We're going on an airplane. The children could not stop thinking about the airplane.
Ahmed Hassan woke the children gently. Today was airport day. Sarah became excited immediately.
Airport day, let's go.
The family ate breakfast together.
Yeah,
Everyone looked sleepy but excited.
yeah.
Sarah carefully packed her teddy bear for the trip.
Where is it? Not under here.
It's over here! Oh, thank goodness! Finally, the family left the house together. Their airport adventure was beginning. Everyone felt excited about the journey ahead.
So are you ready for the airplane trip?
Yes! Look at that building.
Is that the tallest building you've ever seen?
Yes!
Soon, the family could see the airport ahead. Bright lights and large airplanes appeared in the distance.
Look! Wow! We're here!
The airport looked huge and busy. Bright lights and travelers were everywhere. The children looked around with excitement.
The family carefully passed through airport security. Everyone followed the instructions quietly. Grandma Fatima felt a little nervous near the machines. The family finally reached the boarding gate. Their airplane waited outside the giant windows. Everyone felt excited about the flight ahead.
Soon, the boarding process finally began. The family walked toward the airplane together. Grandma Fatima felt nervous but excited.
The airplane cabin looked beautiful and modern. The children felt amazed inside the aircraft. Grandma Fatima looked nervous but curious.
The family prepared quietly for takeoff. Sarah happily chose the window seat first. Ali wanted the window seat too.
Soon, the family started enjoying the flight peacefully. Ali explored the entertainment screen excitedly. Sarah quietly watched the clouds outside the window.
Soon, the flight attendant served food to everyone. The children felt surprised by the airplane meals. Grandma Fatima smiled happily during lunch.
Suddenly, the airplane shook gently in the sky. Grandma Fatima became nervous again. Ahmed Hassan calmly told everyone everything was safe.
Wow, look at that.
It's amazing! We made it!
The family finally arrived in Dubai, safely. Everything inside the airport looked modern and beautiful.
Where is it? It should be here by now.
Oh, I'm getting worried.
Look, it's the blue one.
Yes! Finally! Thank goodness!
Kareem,
Ahmed, look, it's him.
Uncle Kareem, we missed you. Look how big you've gotten.
It's so good to see you, brother.
We're finally here.
Look at that tall building. Wow, it's so big.
It's like something out of a fairy tale. Dubai is truly beautiful. Welcome. It's so good to finally have you here.
Wow, this place is amazing, Kareem.
Oh my, it's just beautiful.
The Dubai shopping mall looked huge and beautiful. The children explored every corner excitedly. The family enjoyed their first day together in Dubai.
You wouldn't believe the view from the window seat. It sounds amazing, Ali. Grandma, remember how high we were?
It was lovely. I'm so glad we're all here together.
The family finally rested after their long journey. Dubai lights shined beautifully outside the windows. Everyone felt peaceful and happy together. Grandma Fatima quietly looked at the beautiful city lights. Her first airplane journey became a special memory. The family felt thankful and happy together.
And then we'll see the biggest roller coaster ever. And eat ice cream every day.
Sounds nice.
We'll find a genie too.
Outside, Dubai continued shining through the night. Inside, the Hassan family slept peacefully together.
The next morning felt peaceful and beautiful. Sunlight filled the apartment warmly. The family felt excited for new adventures in Dubai.
The family started another exciting day in Dubai. The modern city looked beautiful in the moonlight.
Wow, look at those buildings. Aren't they magnificent?
So high.
And the sea is so blue.
Look at all the colorful stores. Wow. These screens are enormous.
Come on, family, let's explore down here.
Look at the amazing water. This is beautiful.
Let's take a photo.
Smile, everyone.
The family enjoyed a peaceful evening walk together.
Dubai lights slowly brightened across the city.
Everyone felt happy during the beautiful night.
The family quietly admired the glowing Dubai skyline together. Ali captured one final photo of the... The city lights are beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.
But even more beautiful is having you both here with me.
The Hassan family peacefully ended their beautiful journey together. Dubai lights continued glowing through the quiet night.
The next morning felt warm and peaceful. The family enjoyed breakfast together happily.
Everyone looked excited.
The family admired Dubai from high above the city. Tall skyscrapers stretched across the bright.
Look at the boats, Sarah.
They are so luxurious.
This marina is truly beautiful.
Look at that sunset, it's beautiful.
Wow. This is so peaceful.
Look at this incredible view. This trip has been so special.
I love this photo of us at the market.